welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be checking out the brand new update. Well, it's not very brand new. I just want to tell you about all the new stuff in the game. I have some vehicles, and yeah, it's the Goop update. Basically Christmas. I got the elf, which is kind of not Christmas. And I basically record in code CB, Big Scary, basically in like all the games. So Big Scary, I threw in that code in Big Scary. I don't really play Big Scary that much. I play that code for CBear too. I mean CB. And I don't know what that is. Let's see if I can collect this now. I still can. Yo, I'm kind of broke. What? I gotta find something I can't buy. Okay. I'm gonna save up for the box fans because I don't have that yet. Yay. And I'm just gonna be showing you every single thing. I basically do all my videos in code CB. So, yeah. And so if you want to like meet me, maybe I'm not in there. So, yeah. So let's get on with the new update. So they added these skis in these 6-7 snowboard, and it's a snowboard. They added these ski shoe, and I actually have one somewhere. Anyways, if you want to get like the normal one, you can just go to the spawn. I'm going to show you all the vehicles I have. So, we have this, the car. Yeah, like a lot of people have this, like someone just random gave me it. So, first, I got the ski pole already, but I have this. I don't know why that. So these are like all of that. This is this, and it's super fun. And yeah, I'm gonna grab this real quick. I'm gonna just throw that away. And then we're gonna ride back, then walk back here. Go down the outlet. Let's go. So this is it. My game might crash. I don't know why it normally crashes on its own. Got these. That did not. There's two ways, we're just gonna go back. And down here, you probably already know, OG Animal Company. And this has that. So let's get back on. Okay. There you go. Let's go back. Obviously, skis do same thing as the snowboards, but the snowboards are just bigger. That's all it does. It just goes like this. Like turn it. The same exact thing. Grab my controller. This. like that. Next we have like some reskinned items like this candy cane truss. I have that, and there's this gingerbread thing, and then there's this. That's the thing. Then we have that. That is the candy cane rod. Then they added the Minecraft update, which comes with the Ender Pearl, the Trident, and yeah. And there's a new Goop saving update I'm going to show you right now. So grab like this and like that, and then like that, and then like, I don't know, like this. I don't know what I'm making. Maybe it could be like this. Then you can like go up while like hitting stuff, or you can just place that like at the bottom so you can like stay safe. Like do this, like you know. Okay. What the? Then you can save it and then just throw this away. Then you can spawn it back in like that, and then you can go like this, and then you can go like this. And then it actually saves, so like when you take any part, you can like not break it because it's kind of like a save. And then, then you can clear it. Oh, you can clear it, nothing there. And yeah, basically all the updates that updates have. So I'm gonna show you something about the thing. So you don't just wait. You don't like wait for it. Unlike the teleport grenade, you actually have to throw it. Throw it on the ground to activate. Yeah, that's basically the only way it can activate. So like, if you put something in there, then make someone like do it, and then you can drop them somewhere. Yeah, basically it. You have like all this. The trident, you can like throw it, and then you can like press a button to like bring it back. Basically like the axe. I'm pretty sure it's like an axe. Yeah, it's like an axe. I'm pretty sure that's like all the updates. So I've been adding. Well, I'm going to show you all the rest of my things. We have this large backpack, which is a motorcycle. A lot of people have this. Again, a random person gave me it. I don't know why. They just randomly give people stuff. But it's very fun. The wheelie is probably the fastest. Then you can track people. If you're wondering how to do this, there's like those things to make it kind of like glide. Like that. And then when you go and just want to put it away, you just put it back in here. And then we'll go like that, and then put it back in there. And then next we have this one, another motorcycle. But it's kind of faster. As the music, and then that is basically all for today's video, and like and subscribe. I'll be in this like code for like, I don't know, I'll join, so just like and subscribe. If I'm not in this code, I'm probably in a different game or in a public server, and add me if you see me right there. That's just me. Basically, this is my cosmetics. If you want to like see me, basically, I either wear this or I wear might be, oh yeah, here. This hat or this hat and outfit. Oh no. Wait, that puts on all of it? Oh, I get it. So all we do is have to find the blue. Where's the key? Hello? Where's the blue? Oh. Wait, I didn't even know I had this. Wait, no, I don't. I didn't even know I had this. So this guy's cool. Trying to find like blue like outfit, like the blue team cap, and then if I go to clothing, and then it should be, or I'll wear this. So I don't know why my arm is glitching out. That happened for like a few months. 5. Yeah. It doesn't really bother me that much. Anyways, like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. This is my second video of it, and so yeah, I'm basically in this code almost all the time, or I'm just in a public server or in a game. Yeah, and if I come across the fan, I'll take a picture with you, and I'll just post it on the thing. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye bye. By the way, I might do a live stream today, so stay tuned for that. I might do a live stream today in Animal Company. And yeah, I'll say the code if I do it. Probably will.